Good afternoon, the YouTube. I guess it could be morning or night or wherever you crazy wackadoos are watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. First, let's start off with an awesome funny math joke. So parallel lines have so much in common. Look at them, so much in common. It's just a real shame they'll never meet because they're parallel. They don't cross, they don't intersect. That's hilarious. All right, well, hope you thought that was entertaining. Here's the problem. It's number 3-110 from course 1 from CPM. And it's a problem about plotting points on a one quadrant grid. So carefully copy the graph and plot the point A on the graph below at the right. So it wants you to do that, copy the graph, plot it here, and then it wants you to plot these points below. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take this. Let's get our axes. So I'll do the x-axis in red. That'll be my X. I'll do the Y in blue. No reason, just get some color in my life. And that's Y. I know that point A, and we could do, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 1, 2, 3. Should have done this before. So I'm going to put the video on pause and do the x-axis. Ta-da, magic. All right, and it wants us to plot point A, and point A looks to be at 2 on the x-axis, and then up at 3. So this is the point 2 on the x, and then 3 on the y. So here's the point 2. So go over 2, and then up to 3. That's the point A. That's the point A at 2, 3. So it wants us to plot point A, and then now B is at 3, 7. So it always goes the x coordinate and then the y. So I need to go where x is 3, where 3 is on the x-axis. So that's 3. Then I need to go up to 7 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the point 3, 7. So that's the point B. C is at 7, 7. So 7 on the x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the x, and then 7 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 up. All right, so that's that point C. And then D, oh, that's 7 on the y. So D is 8 on the x, 3 on the y-axis. So 8 on the x is out here, and then up to 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's the point D. And it wants us to connect them in the order that they're listed. So A to B, B to C, C to D, and then D to A. And it asks us to name the shape that you just drew. So it's definitely not a square or a rectangle. It's got a pair of parallel sides, and that actually makes it a trapezoid. Yay! That's a trapezoid, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Take it easy.